Today, I want to talk to you about an incredible natural combination, castor oil and cloves. Both have amazing health benefits on their own, but when used together, their effects can be remarkable. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments, and feel free to ask any questions. Now, let's explore how these two natural ingredients work together. Castor oil and cloves have been used for centuries as natural remedies, and their benefits are well documented. Sometimes, people wonder, can something so simple really make a difference? But time and time again, these two ingredients have proven their effectiveness. When combined, castor oil and cloves enhance each other's healing properties, making them a valuable addition to any natural health routine. The benefits of cloves. Cloves contain eugenol, a powerful compound responsible for their distinct aroma and impressive health benefits. Eugenol has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and pain-relieving properties. Have you ever noticed that clove oil is often recommended for toothaches? That's because eugenol acts as a natural numbing agent while also fighting bacteria that cause infections. Cloves are also rich in antioxidants, helping to reduce oxidative stress and protect the body from damage. The benefits of castor oil. Castor oil has been used for centuries to treat a wide range of ailments. Its active component, ricinoleic acid, is highly anti-inflammatory and deeply penetrative, allowing it to reach tissues beneath the skin's surface. But why use castor oil and cloves together instead of separately? The answer lies in how they complement each other. When castor oil is applied to the skin, it softens and breaks down hardened tissues, allowing eugenol from cloves to penetrate deeper. This means faster and more effective relief from pain, inflammation, and even infections. It's an excellent remedy for muscle aches, joint pain, and digestive discomfort. How to prepare castor oil and clove remedy. Making this powerful blend is easy. Take 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Mix in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves or a few drops of clove essential oil. Apply directly to the affected area. For better absorption, gently heat the mixture before application. Would you consider adding this to your daily routine? Many people find that regular use helps manage chronic pain without relying on over-the-counter medications. Beyond pain relief, this blend can help with skin infections, fungal issues, and even minor wounds. Castor oil prevents the growth of harmful bacteria, while cloves actively fight pathogens, making it an excellent natural wound dressing. It's amazing how much nature offers when used correctly. Other health benefits of castor oil and cloves. 1. Muscle and joint pain relief. Have you ever applied castor oil to sore muscles or achy joints? If so, you've likely felt its warming sensation. Now, imagine adding the antibacterial and numbing properties of cloves. It enhances the relief even more. Imagine struggling with chronic knee or back pain. You've tried everything, but nothing works long-term. Combining castor oil and cloves creates a powerful natural remedy for muscle and joint pain. Castor oil penetrates deeply, providing warmth and reducing inflammation, while cloves add a numbing effect and fight bacteria. Together, they soothe soreness, ease stiffness, and promote faster recovery. To use this mixture, warm 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cloves or a few drops of clove oil. Massage into sore areas for at least 10 minutes. Optionally, wrap the area with a heating pad for longer-lasting relief. This simple method can help manage arthritis, stiffness, and muscle soreness. 2. Digestive health. Bloating, constipation, and indigestion are common issues. Instead of reaching for antacids or laxatives, try this natural remedy. Using castor oil and cloves together supports digestion naturally. Castor oil relieves constipation by stimulating bowel movements, while cloves enhance enzyme production, easing bloating and indigestion. This combination promotes a healthier, more balanced digestive system. For digestive relief, mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with a pinch of ground cloves. Take it once or twice a week for better digestion. Would you be willing to try this instead of harsh medications? Drop your comments below. 3. Skin and hair health. Using castor oil and cloves together enhances skin and hair health naturally. Castor oil provides deep hydration and encourages hair growth, while cloves fight bacteria, reducing acne, scars, and dandruff. Together, they nourish, protect, and improve your skin and scalp without the harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. Expensive creams and shampoos often contain synthetic versions of compounds found in cloves and castor oil. Instead, why not use the real thing? For skincare, mix a few drops of clove oil into castor oil and apply to problem areas. For hair, massage warm castor oil and clove oil into the scalp to stimulate hair growth and reduce dryness or dandruff. Would you try this instead of chemical-laden products? I want to hear your feedback in the comment section. Let's share our experiences concerning this wonderful blend. 4. Immune system support. Using castor oil and cloves together creates a powerful immune-boosting combo. Cloves provide antioxidants to fight infections, while castor oil supports detoxification by stimulating the lymphatic system. This means your body can eliminate toxins more efficiently while also strengthening its natural defenses against illness. For immune support, warm 2 tablespoons of castor oil, add 5 drops of clove oil. Massage onto the soles of your feet before bed. This simple practice can help keep your immune system strong, especially during flu season. 5. Dental health. Cloves have been used for toothaches for centuries because of eugenol's pain-relieving and antibacterial effects. But did you know castor oil can enhance these benefits? For tooth and gum health, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with a few drops of clove oil. Dip a cotton ball into the mixture and apply to sore gums or teeth. This blend not only soothes pain but also fights infection. Would you consider trying this instead of numbing gels loaded with chemicals? Drop your comments in the comment section below. I will love to hear from you. Nature often provides the best remedies, and the combination of castor oil and cloves is a proof of that. Whether for pain relief, digestion, skin and hair care, immunity, or dental health, this simple duo is incredibly versatile. Have you tried using castor oil and cloves before? What was your experience like? Let me know in the comments. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.